So, ayan. So, by the way, again, I'm Marian Bilumanet and they used to call me Coach Yan Yan. So, for today's video, so I'll just give you some tips on how to get hired at saan tayo possible na kumuha ng clients. I will just give you 3 platforms that I'm using since 2021, March 2021 to be exact. But basically, tatlo lang naman yung binibigay ko. So, first and foremost, I started in online jobs. So, for those newbies, ako suggested ko talaga ito. Ito lang din, dito lang din ako nagsimula. I'll just give you the date. Tingnan nyo dito. March 2021, ako nagsimulang mag-apply as a freelance bookkeeper. So, again, just like you who's watching right now, newbie din ako. But basically, after that, I've learned how to become resourceful, how to join the community, ano yung mga dapat kong aralin para makapasok sa larangan ng freelancing at magtrabaho na lang sa bahay. Yun yung goal. So, if I were you, if you're a newbie, you can create first an online job account. Madali lang siya, para lang siyang Facebook. May mga fill-upan kayong information and some tests, mga hindi naman technical masyado, mga test lang para lang ma-verify kung totoo tayong tao, magsasubmit kayo dyan ng passport and any IDs. So, ayan na siya. Ayan. So, the next one would be Upwork. So, I have an Upwork but hindi ko siya ngayon ginagamit. Noong 2021, meron akong Upwork account but ito na yung, I think, second account. And hindi ko siya, maganda siyang simula. Makakita nyo direct client, alos na nandito. Unlike for dito pala, aside dito sa online jobs, may mga agency. Pero dito sa Upwork, dito, may mga agency na dito sa online jobs. Sa Upwork, mostly dito direct clients. So if you're looking for a direct clients, I highly suggest Upwork. Pero kasi, if newbie ka, costly kasi siya kasi kailangan bumili ng connect. So may bayad. So, for newbies, hindi ko pa rin ina-advise unless meron kayong extra budget para bumili ng Connect. So, madali lang din naman siya, although medyo mahal na siya right now. So, this is the second online platform that I'm using on getting clients. Lastly, pero ito, ang pinaka-last, ito yung pinaka-masasabi kong, dito ako mostly nakakakuha ng clients. 80%. So, most na dito lang sila. So, again, I highly encourage those newbies to create their LinkedIn account, make your brand stand out sa LinkedIn. And there are more than billions of users, I think 1 billion or more na, 3 million users sa Pilipino. And I can say sa LinkedIn, medyo na-build ko na yung aking authority dyan. If you see, there's 44 connection already. And dito ko talaga nakukuha yung mga collaboration, some speakers, some clients, some mentees, some members ng community, nandito sila lahat. So if I were you, focus kayo sa tatlong platform muna kung saan kayo mag apply. Maraming hiring dito if you will just explore lang si LinkedIn. And isa yan sa mga tinuturo ko if you will be my mentees on how to really strive, how to uh, how to send message to the clients, sino yung mga potential collaborator nyo doon, at paano mo sila mapapahap in a call. Ano yung mga rapport, mga techniques on how to send message, how you can really, yun nga, build the relationship with them. Okay? Okay, repeat lang natin. 3 platform that you can use if you're a newbie: online jobs, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Okay? Till next video.